Maintainx review, how to use Maintainx review and how you can use it. So Maintainx is an AI-powered asset maintenance platform designed to enhance the productivity and streamline operation for various industries, including manufacturing, facility management, and hospitality. It offers a range of features that cater to maintenance and operation management, making it a popular choice among businesses looking to optimize their workflow. Right, so let me just give you overview. The key features are you can work order management, asset management, preventive maintenance, mobile access, reporting and analytics, inventory management. And let's check out this pricing here because that is really important. So regarding this pricing, it has a free plan, it has an essential plan, it has a premium plan, and there's an enterprise for those who bigger enterprise, right? And you can see here the charges. It's completely free for the user if you just go and choose a basic one. So I will just go and choose a basic and click on get started. You can choose any one of depending upon your requirement. And the pros are it's user friendly, right? Real time updates, offline mode, but there's are some cons. For example, they have to learn this software, limited customization in lower tiers. And so how to use it? So first of all, you have to enter your name here. And to enter your name here, you have to enter your, you know, email. Then here you have to enter your number. So once you create an account, you will get a code which is sent to your mobile number, and you have to verify it. Right now, then you can just navigate to the dashboard, familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you can access all the features. And here you can add users and vendors, create work orders, maintain assets and inventory, utilize reporting tool. And this is the overview of Maintainx review. And thanks for watching this video.